Hey, good morning. Kevin here with Apple Drains. Today we're right off of Selwyn Road, kind of a little in the South Park area of Charlotte, working on a condominium community where we've got a lot of surface water as well as downspout water that's kind of puddling up in a specific area in somebody's backyard. So what we're going to do, since it is surface water, we're going to put catch basins in to be able to catch that water, allow it to fall into the catch basin, and then send that water downhill away from the troubled area. Let's go check it out. We've prepared the work area and we've got plastic down. We've removed the grass from the area and we're currently digging backwards with a normal shovel, and we're gonna work our way in here. We're actually able to use the landscaping bed, so we're not gonna tear up any grass that's on the side of this building. We're gonna follow this area back here, kind of along that white line. And then we're working on digging catch basin. We've got a downspout here that we'll go ahead and tap in as well. The catch basin is really for this hillside. We've got a lot of water coming down this hill that we'll catch and divert. So our discharge is going to be this 6x6 catch basin. We've got a 9-inch top on it. We went with green color just so it matches the grass. There's no issue with running your lawnmower or walking or any kind of foot traffic going on that. So it's just like a hard surface when you're done with the install. We're almost done with the digging here. So we've got our discharge pretty much dug out. And then all we're working through right now is the last little bit of kind of a hill that we got to dig through.